Hello friends, welcome to TechZoid, a tech channel. Today, I will tell you top 10 keyboard shortcut I mainly use in Visual Studio Code. But you can change your keyboard shortcut in Visual Studio Code by going to the settings. We are telling the web development shortcut I use in Visual Studio Code. Shortcut number 1. Do you know if we use CTRL+L then you can select your text without using mouse or without using shift key in Visual Studio Code. Shortcut number 2. We can open command shell in Visual Studio Code by simply 3 shortcut keys, and that is Ctrl+Shift+P. Shortcut number 3. We can use Alt key to change the position of the whole line. With the help of Alt+Down key, we can down the whole text in the line. Or with the help of Alt+Up key, we can up the whole text in the line. Shortcut number 4. We can comment our text by simply clicking Ctrl+C then Ctrl+M. If we have to undo the comment, we do the same Ctrl+C then Ctrl+M. Shortcut number 5. We can copy the whole line with the help of duplicate selection, and the shortcut is Ctrl+C and Ctrl+S. Shortcut number 6. We can directly go to the next line without going to last text and pressing Enter key. We can use shortcut Ctrl+Enter key for going to the next line. Shortcut number 7. We can delete the whole line without using all text. With backspace key we can simply click Ctrl+Shift+K, then all the line will be removed. Shortcut number 8. We can directly go the any n number of lines by simply clicking Ctrl+G. Thanks for watching.